Let's reveal this week's winner. Ready? Here we go. Best of luck to you all. I'm hitting the wheel now. Here we go. We're spinning. We are spinning. I will shout out some names when I can start to read them, just to prove out some of those names. Colin Rose. It might be you, Colin. Colin Rose, it is you. Congratulations. Colin Rose, you are the overall winner of the top prize of the DJI Mini 3 Pro with the controller. So well done to you. Stay with me, folks.
Yes, that was me. Thank you, Hobby Mouse. Now, let's get this up in the air and see what it can do.